Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom put on the long finger, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to delay something, to procrastinate. She had been planning her retirement, but now her plans have changed. I've to put my retirement plans on the long finger for now. We've got a big contract coming up which could take 3 years and I want to be involved. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. He had thought about getting on the dating scene, but something else came up. Time is of the essence these days, and I'm really focusing on writing my book, so I have to put dating on the long finger. She finished high school a few months ago and still hasn't filled out any college applications. I had put it on the long finger, but I'm going to start now. I don't want to miss out. The family man gives some good advice. Buying life insurance might not be something you ever want to think about, but if you're planning on starting a family, you shouldn't be putting it on the long finger. Here are some further examples for professional situations. She was offered a promotion which was unexpected. I'm so happy. I remember when the vacancy came up, I wanted to apply, but I had to put it on the long finger at the time, and now they've offered me the job. He is extremely busy and work just keeps piling up. I have to do up a contract for a new employee, but I can put it on the long finger until Friday. Management discussed the next couple of months. So what should we plan for the staff summer party? Let's put that on the long finger. We've more important things to worry about at the moment. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.